won't start. Alright, if your push mower won't start, it's probably because you left it outside and somehow it got rain or water condensation inside the carburetor. So, gotta get underneath here. And right under here, there's a bowl. It's like your carburetor bowl. You can see it right here. Is your carburetor bowl. There's two screws. There's one here and one on the other side. They look like this. They're 7mm. So you unscrew those, and you're going to want to pull this bowl off the bottom of it. And I got this one partially unscrewed. But you're going to pull the bowl off, and it's got a rubber seal, and you're going to empty all the gas and water out of it. Let me try to get it off. I just pried down on it. I just took this little wrench tool here and stuck it on the lip and pushed down. I didn't even use a hammer. I just pushed down, caught it on the edge right here and pressed down. It snapped loose, but you can see the brown O-ring there. So I got to pull this whole bowl off. Alright, I can't get this bowl off down here. There's not enough clearance, not enough room. I've done this before on another mower. I think the other one was a Murray. Well, they all got Brigg and Stratton engines, but I was working on a different mower and I was able to pull this whole bowl off and then dump the gas out and then put it back on. But this one, I can't get it all the way off, so I'm just gonna take an air compressor, blow some air down here and blow the gas out of it. But basically you got water in the bottom of this bowl and it catches down here and you want to dump it all out, clean it all out, put it back together. Another thing I want to do is open the gas tank, and I'm going to give it a dose of some 90% isopropyl alcohol. And what this is do is going to run through the gas tank. I'm not going to put a lot in there, but it's going to mix with any type of water that's in there, and it's going to help make the water evaporate in case there's any water inside the lines or anything like that, or settled in the bottom of the tank. And since this bowl is off down here, all the alcohol is basically going to leak out down here because it's gravity fed. You can see it already trickling out. See it trickling or dripping down there? So yeah, that's the alcohol coming out of it, dripping through the system. And that's just going to clean it. So after I poured the alcohol through it, now I'm going to hit it up with an air compressor and make sure there's no liquid in this bottom bowl, and then I'm going to put it back together and put some gas in it and crank it. Now he's trying to get down in the bowl. Alright, next you want to put it back together and align this bowl back up and put these two screws back in it. Yeah, just use your finger to see how tight it is. It ain't gotta be like super tight because it's plastic and it'll break. Don't forget to put the air filter back on. getting there. Took a couple of tries, but I've only got it started. It's running good now.